Ever wondered what's really happening when you crack your knuckles? That sharp, satisfying pop isn't your bones grinding together, contrary to popular belief. So what's behind the noise? I will tell you, but if you have a heart, tap the like button, click subscribe, share this video, and comment, "I love Mom." When you bend or pull a finger, joint pressure drops, forming tiny gas bubbles in the surrounding fluid. When these bubbles collapse, you hear the familiar pop. It takes 20 to 30 minutes for the gas to build up again, which is why you can't crack the same knuckle right away. Too much force can strain the joint.